video, I'm going to show you how to easily use pickresize.com to size any image to the size that you need. Keep in mind, if you don't use a regular photo editing tool like Canva or Adobe, you might have some distortion in your pictures. But simple changes from a large picture to a small picture, which is what a lot of my clients run into, is really easy using this program. So we're going to go to pickresize.com, which is a free software, and we're going to go to browse from computer and pick whatever picture it is that you want to resize. So I'll go ahead and resize this one. Okay, so we've got the image. Now continue to edit picture. And now, if you know you just want to make it 50% smaller, you can choose that. If you want it 25% smaller, you can choose that. 75% smaller, and your estimates show up over here as to what size it'll probably be once you shrink it down. So I'm working with a client right now, and she's setting up her marketing profile in her KW Command platform, which is a real estate platform for Keller Williams agents. She needs her photo to be 360 by 360. So will it work here, 50% smaller, 217 by 289? Probably. But let's just say we want to go ahead and get it to 360 by 360. Go to custom size and type in whatever the software is telling you it wants. And then if there's any special effect you want, what image type you want to save it in, PNG or JPG, JPEG, or PNG are the most common. So we're going to say, I'm done. Now resize my picture. So 360 by 360. You can view your image here. We can save to disk. Let's go ahead and save to a disk. Lori, let's do Lori small pick, and then we'll look at it. Okay, so see, it removes, it doesn't have that black background. That's what I wanted to show you, is that it's also fine. So that's how you can easily resize an image using Pick Resize. When you go from smaller to larger, especially if you're trying to turn like a square image into a banner image for Facebook cover, you're better off using a platform like Canva. And I've got other videos that show you how to use Canva to do that in a much better way, because you're probably going to need to crop and create a layout. But this is super easy for making things large to small. I'm Lori Ballen in Las Vegas.